valuing a house on a price per square foot basis. Why would you do it and how do you do it? This is Whiteboard Wednesday video 1 of 2, in which I explain exactly how to value unique homes on a price per square foot basis. And in video 2, I explain what to include in the square footage. Hi, I'm Sam from the AJ Mastermind, and in this Whiteboard Wednesday I'm going to give you a very brief summary of why you should use price per square foot to value particularly unique homes and how to do it. So first of all, why? Well, when we go and see a high value home, so let's say we go and see a home of anything from 500,000 up to, I don't know, 10 million, the chances are that the man of the couple, and it usually is a couple selling that size house, that the man is somebody who thinks with their left brain, not their right brain. Well, what does that mean? A left brain thinker, somebody like me, is a little bit geeky, a little bit nerdy, likes a good spreadsheet, likes the technicalities of selling their house, and likes to know that there is a process, an order, control, management, facts, figures, something that they can get a hold of, something tangible. A right brain thinker is exactly the opposite. So there's somebody who thinks with their emotions, they're thinking colour. They've probably got very colourful cushions on their sofa. They know exactly what 2 pictures to put together on a wall. I have no idea. And if you showed them a price per square foot analysis, they'd probably run for the hills. So we're looking for this left brain thinker who is usually the high status man in a couple. Don't shout at me, I'm just stereotyping, okay? Once you've got his attention, he's going to want to know exactly how you came up with the valuation that you did. So you can't just go, I think about 500,000. You've got to go, all these reasons, Mr. Left Brain Thinker, these are the reasons why your house should be on the market at 500,000. So let me just take you through the steps. This is what I say to him, and I'm going to say the same to you now. So first of all, you design your spreadsheet like so. And if you don't know how to use one of these spreadsheets, if you send me an email, sam@ajmastermind.co.uk, I will send you our blank one. There you go. Free offer for you. So in your spreadsheet, it's just these columns: date, house price, feet square or area, and then price per square foot. Now it's going to do the work for you, by the way. You don't have to do this work. It's going to actually populate for you if you put the formula in right. So you've got the date and the name of the house. This is their house that you're valuing. The price, let's say 500,000. The square footage, let's say 3,000, and then that comes up with £167. Now, obviously you're going to be trying to work this back again. So what you want to end up with is a list of about 10 to 12 competing homes so that you know what the average price per square foot is for unique, large unique homes in that area. Now we've done this for the entirety of the Lake District. When I say we, it's the royal we, because my assistant did this for us, who's probably watching this video right now, so hi Abba. And what she did for us is she came up with a spreadsheet, a mini spreadsheet for each village in the area for prices that had sold for unique homes and large homes. Therefore, we know that Troutbeck is worth £400 a square foot, but Kendall's only worth £300 a square foot, and so on. So therefore, we can pre-populate that way. But the first thing you need to do is have your list of 10 to 12 houses so you can start to build up an average. So you've got Fellview plus another 9 houses at least, you've got all the prices there, you've got the square footage there, and then you can calculate the price per square foot on the right hand side just by going that equals that divided by that. Now the only one you're not going to do is your target home, because you've got to try and work out what your target home is. So with your target home, you write in your date, your, let's say, Rose Cottage. There you go. You don't know the price, so you're going to put the square footage in there, 3,000. You look at your averages and you go, right, well, the average in that area is, let's say, £200, because you've got 167 on that one. You might have 250 on another one. Your average is about £200 a square foot. So that equals that times that, which is 600,000. And then you can see exactly how it fits in your table. And you can say, well, I've chosen the average, and then you can add or subtract things like view, stables, acreage, presentation, demand, all those other lovely things. But that is really how you use a price per square foot analysis. Now, this is just one of the many tools, thousands of tools probably, that we give our AJ Mastermind members. Now, you may not be ready to join our AJ Mastermind, and that is completely fine. What we'd like to do in the meantime is invite you to spend the day with us here at Ashdown Jones, so you can see what we're all about. You can get a free lunch. You can wander around the office. You can chat to Edward and Hannah and the team. You can see how we do the boards and have a look at our lovely brochures and sit there and ask us questions for the entirety of the day until your head explodes, and so do ours. And all you need to do to be able to find out when the next event is that you can come to, and it's completely free, is go to ajmastermind.co.uk/events. We'll ask you for a small refundable deposit that is refunded as soon as you arrive at AJ HQ, and we're going to have a really lovely day together exploring ways that you can grow your business more effectively with tools like these. So we look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.